So the 28th question is integral of cos x divided by root of 1 plus sin x times dx, right? So again, you have a square root and a function inside it. Obviously, that should be taken as t. So 1 plus sin x in this case is taken as t. And one more thing is also matching actually. 1 plus sin x, the derivative of it is cos x, right? So on differentiating both sides, we get cos x times dx by dt is equal to 1. So cos x dx is equal to dt. The whole question will get converted as dt divided by square root of 1 plus sin x can be replaced with t. Now this will be equal to integral of t power minus half times dt. So remember the integral of 1 by root t, the integral of 1 by root t times dt is basically 2 root t. The reason being, derivative of root t is 1 by 2 root t. So the integral of 1 by root t will be 2 times root t. Okay, that is the idea. So that is one way, or else what you can do is you can apply the formula of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 and also solve it. So in this case, the answer is going to be 2 times root t plus c. So 2 times, what is the value of root t? Root of 1 plus sin x plus c. So this would be the final answer. 2 times root of 1 plus sin x plus c.